inside my channel Yoga and Fitness with Shiva. Today I am going to give a very important yoga posture. That name is Yoga for Snoring. Those people are at the time snoring, or there is a sound comes from mouth. This is a sound sleep, but this is a very effect for other people, other partner or other relatives as well. Therefore, it is our responsible to overcome from these problems by doing any natural process or yoga asana. First of all, you can do always basic warm up. After completing your basic warm up, keep your mind that these problems is occur many persons. That is many reasons. First reason is our sleeping style. If we sleep on the lying on the back for a long time, this snoring problem is also occur. Therefore, we can sleep side sleep. It is very better to sleep in left side. First of all, you can sleep left side, and for a while you can sleep on right side as well. Because in left side, if we sleep left side, our digestive system is very good. Our constipation is also very good. Our nose block is also very good. Therefore, sleeping style is also very good. Please sleep with the pillow. Do not sleep without pillow on the bed. You can use pillow and sleep on the side. That is also first reason. Second reason is if our nasal passage is blocked, then we can snoring. Therefore, it is our responsible to open our nose by doing Anulom Vilom Pranayam, and we can keep some oil on our nose, that mustard oil or any types of oil, and it is very good to open our nose and we can easily breathe in and out. Therefore, snoring problem is also reducing. Then other reason is that we always eating a dairy product or other out made food or vegetables. Therefore, do not eat any dairy product. Always eat greeny vegetable, lentil, and always focus on the homemade food. That is also very important thing. Then other thing is that if we are very anxiety, depression, and we take some medicine, painkillers, that is also problem snoring at the night. Therefore, that is also strictly prohibited to take such types of drugs on the time of sleep. Therefore, we cannot use such types of medicine in the time of bed. Therefore, other reason is that if we uneasy feeling or there is problem on the lungs, that is also problems. Therefore, we can do diaphragmatic breathing. Then other is cardiovascular breathing. Cardiovascular breathing. There are some yoga asana to reduce this problem. First and foremost important yoga posture for snoring is cobra pose. Then other is Dhanurasana. Then other yoga asana is lion pose. Lion pose is also very good for our throat chakra. Therefore, you can sit any yoga asana, suitable yoga asana, or you can stay on Vajrasana as well. Then other is Om chanting. Other is Brahmari Pranayam. Thank you for watching my videos completely. If you are newcomer in my channel, you can subscribe my channel, like my videos and comment on the comment box. If this video is very useful and beneficial for other your friend, colleague and loved one, you can share this video. And if you have any query, questions or comment on the comment box. If you are interested to do any kinds of yoga posture, you can request me. I will provide you as soon as possible. Namaskar yogis. Bye bye. Happy New Year for all my viewer friends and colleagues.